YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Before we get into this vid, this is my brew of the day right here. 2 rows. This is double IPA. I've had it before. I think it's like a 8% alcohol. What? 8% alcohol content. But yeah, you know me, a lot of my IPAs. Where?
Yeah, you noticed.
I can't sip regular brews no more. Like all that BAWS and shit. Fuck no. You know? Corona, I ain't even really with those. It would have to be like I'm in the DR and I'm getting tired of Presidente or Brahma or some shit like that. I'm like, yo, let me just get that. But I'm always looking for the highest alcohol content. You already know, so salud. And before I start this vid, do me a favor, let me get 400 likes on this joint. Word. Alright, so the past couple vids, I've been talking about doing a sneaker sale. Obviously, y'all see the title. But anyway, so I'm gonna start with the kicks first, then we're gonna get to the gear. With the sneakers, these come from my personal collection. I wear a size 9.5 or a 10, so, you know, cause I had somebody hit me up asking, talking about, are you selling foams? Which is a, you know, regular question. But then it was like, and it's size 12.
That is the dumbest I have ever, bro, man, education, why?
Like I'm that much of a collector. I was like, yo, y'all got size 10? And like, nah, they got a 12. And it's like, any other size, they're like, oh, we got 7.5. I'm like, oh, too small, pause. You know what I'm saying? So I'll take the 12, you know, just to.
How stupid would I be to do that?
No, I don't. So everything you see here, sneaker-wise, is 9.5 and a 10.
Sure.
So I'm selling these joints. They're all gonna be PayPal gift. I suggest y'all hit me up. I mean, y'all probably gonna hit me up on the DM. I'm not doing any kind of transactions or talking about nothing on here. But yeah, hit me up on my email. The joint will be down there, MrOrchardBeach@gmail.com. Oh, and another thing, I'm not gonna waste your time either. If you don't know, like if a sneaker is like true to size and stuff, you know, you just started collecting last week, go to the sneaker store, whatever joints you see. If you see like a Jordan 5, go to any sneaker store and just tell them like you watching one of my videos, tell them who I am.
Spanky Johnson?
And yeah, just ask them, you know, can you try it on there, you know, and you know, they get you straight, because that's what they there for, you know, like, they working. I don't work in a sneaker store. But anyway, man, any further ado, here we go, man. Bam. All right, up first, got the Jordan 4. Oh, okay, Sport Blue joints. I think I rocked these about 3 times. I'm gonna let these go. Like I said, everything's gonna be shipped. It's gonna be double box and PayPal gift. That's it. When you're ready, all you do is just hit me up, yo. I'm looking for this sneak, and here go my PayPal. Boom, and there we go. And make sure it's gift, because if you don't gift, I'll send it back to you and let you do it over. But anyway, yeah. So oh my bad. One more time. Bam. $1.20 for these joints. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you see my sneaker rotations. You know what I'm saying? I ain't dusting nothing up. It's size 10, 120 shipped. All right, boom. Barcelona Knights. Jordan 7, these are size 9.5. They're going for, I'm gonna let these go for $1.20 shipped. Jordan 7 HAREs, I think I rocked these joints about maybe 3 times. Last time I rocked them was a couple years back in DR. $1.20 shipped. Jordan 7 HAREs are size 9.5. Matter of fact, I'll put the sizes in the description, don't worry about that. Got the Air Jordan 11, cool gray lows. There, I rocked these joints once in DR. They cool, but I just ain't really my thing. Yeah, the joints are still looking good. Boom. $1.30 shipped. Jordan 5, 3 lap 5. Yeah. Oh, you go to the Carolina joints right here, or UNC. Bam. $1.20 shipped. I forget the last time I rocked these. It's been a minute, but I'll probably only rock these like 2 times, so I'm still gravy. These are size 9.5, by the way. $1.20 shipped. 3 lap 5. The infrared joints, these are size 9. Make sure. Yeah, size 9.5. $1.20 shipped. Probably rock these joints twice, and that's it. Yeah, I probably, yeah, matter of fact. Bam. Size 9.5. $1.20 shipped. Foamposite, the gold joints. Now, I think I accidentally swapped the box out, switched the box out, or I ain't gonna front. This is the metallic box. I don't know. I don't know if I did or not, but this is the metallic gold. No, hold on. Foamposite 1. Oh no, never mind. I didn't. I thought I had it flopped out with the pros. But anyway, yeah, so this is the original box. Size 10, bam. $135 shipped. I probably rocked these like twice. I really wasn't feeling these joints. Word. I think with these, it was kind of like I had the pewters, I had the original coppers, the OG joints, and this really missed the mark. Oreo 5s. Been a minute since I rocked these. These joints are still straight. Bam. $120 shipped. Sorry, I know you're gonna add. Size 9.5, but I'm gonna put all that in the description, don't worry. What the LeBron? Size 10, this is for my lab. These joints just ain't moving. 100 shipped. This is size 10. No, what am I doing? Yeah, size 10. Still clean. Yeah. 100 shipped, size 10. What the LeBrons? Man, I had to look at these because I'm like, I don't know, but yeah, they gotta go. These the BARKLEY POSITEs. Was it the damn eggplant joints? Yeah. I think these are size. Let me make sure these are size 10. Nah, they probably are, but yeah, these are size 10. I don't really. These are the joint that I don't really want to part with, but I'm not really gonna rock them, I don't think. But anyway, yo, 100 shipped. Box a little dingy, but sneakers are clean. Bam, 100 shipped. White foams. Bam. It's been a minute since I rocked these two, probably about like 2 years ago. Damn, I still got the damn receipt. Boy, yeah, that's when that military discount was banging. $168. How the hell? Oh no, I know what happened. Hold on. Okay, never mind. This was back. Remember I had that talk about my Connect? The one that you know, yeah. A Foot Locker Connect back in the day. She paid $168. I probably paid $230 or something like that. Check them out, check them out. Yeah, these been sitting for a minute. $120 shipped. Yeah. Jordan 1 Lettermans. Size 10. These joints still look good. Word. I really didn't want to part with these, but it's time. I don't really need these. So I'm gonna let these joints go for 100 shipped. They still look good. Size 10. Yeah, size 10, 100. Jordan 12, these are size 9.5. These are the French blue joints right here. I'm gonna let them go for $145. I've only rocked these joints like twice. Yeah, these joints. Wild fresh, word. Let's go to the other one. Boom. Size 9.5, French blue, $145 shipped. All these joints are gonna be PayPal. I'm gonna leave the price in the video description or in my comment section, I don't know. All you do, you just hit me up with your PayPal address, ready to go. They just, as is, I ain't, you know, I don't even want no trades, unless you got the Galaxies and the Galaxies, so obviously I don't want any trades. Anyway, all right, so next up, I got a jacket. This is probably the only jacket that I'm gonna sell right here. It's kind of a little too big for me. Let me pause. It's the Mitchell & Ness St. Louis Cardinals joint. This is the World Series from 1946, the World Series champion joint. It's a Mitchell & Ness. The size is a 52. I believe that equates to an extra large. It's jackets for me, I rock a large. So this was this kind of caught me at the end of the baggy era. Quick backstory, I had one of these joints, but I don't know what happened, man, cause like, yo, I had some roommates that I don't know, they some of my homeboys. Well, one is nah, but my joint mysteriously vanished, and I had to get another one again. But yeah, man, I first saw Raekwon with this joint on in, I think, like the Source magazine or Double XL, and I was like, yo, I need this joint. Yeah, this joint's tough. So yo, I let this joint go for $90 shipped. Alright, this joint is clean, ain't nothing wrong with it, you know. But I just wish I wish I could find a size large. But if not, I'll probably just end up grabbing a Yankee joint. But yeah, so I'm gonna let the joint go. I shipped this joint for $90.
Live it in health.
3 hoodies. All right, now everything else that you see, 50 bucks. And everything else that you see, size large. So for 3 hoodies, 50 bucks shipped. This joint right here, this was new. I ain't even rocked this joint. I got a double. Effective sent me 2 of these joints. So I was like, oh, all right, so one can go. So bam, this is the what is it? I just know these for the breads. I'm not gonna sit here and do a review of these joints. You see it, or yeah, but this size large, bam, that's 1. Got the aerial assault joint right here. That's 2. And flight joint. Matter of fact, this one's new. Got the tags in it. Got a flight joint, size large. Bam, 50 bucks. What you'll do is you just tell me one of the shirts. I mean, one of the tees. You either tell me one of the hoodies, tees, or whatever in the bundle, and I'll get it together. No, I'm not swapping bundle. Yo, you think you put it? I cannot.
You gotta hide this the way I'm giving this to you, or you can step.
The Friday the 13th Boss Bear. It's the hoodie joint, red. Rocked the joint once. I got the, what's this? This is for those Jordan 12s that drop, like those gray joints. What's this shit say? Oh, groundbreaking. Yeah, boom. Another crew neck hoodie. Effective joint. Bam. That's 3. So that's, like I said, $50 for the 3. Boom. All right, next 3. Got the Making Money joint. I rocked this last week, matter of fact, once. You seen it in the vid. Boom, right there. So that's 1. Generating Capital. I rocked this joint once. That's 2. And I really don't want to part with this joint. Hey. I got to. Bam. Got that juice joint. Effective clothing. This will go with the Jordan 6, the infrared joints. I don't want to part with it, but man, I'm running out of space, so that's another 3. Like I said, these 3, everything in the groups, 50. All the groupings, 50. Got some jerseys right here. Bam. Got the cash joint, size large. How does it fit? You wear size large?
Again with the questions.
Fit you. Bam. Bam. Yeah, and these joints, the quality's good. So that's 1. Yo, if y'all pick up those cool grays, this I actually rock this with the cool grays. This is 2. Bam. And the illest. This is for the 3s. This is another joint that I really don't want to get rid of. This joint is kind of, I like it. I think I could do one more good rock with it, but now I'm keeping this. This one's keeping. I'm sorry. This one's getting kept. Give me a second. And we're back. So yeah, make up for that. So boom, get these 2 right here. I'll throw in this, what is it? I got that Fire You Can't Match tee. I ain't even rock it. And this, boom, this eraser joint. Eraser? Effectives Racer. Word. Yeah, I thought these joints in. 50. So all you gotta do is say you're looking for the one of these jerseys, and I know what you're talking about. You can get the bundle. 50. Next up, another 3-piece. This is from 89 Clothing, matter of fact. Bam. This is the Winds. What does the back say? Oh, no L's. Yeah, kind of like the Twins, but yeah, this joint straight. I think I rocked it. I don't know. I know I rocked it once. I don't know about twice, but yep, size large. Be alright. Got another, got a polo joint, Fast Money. Bam. And I'm gonna let, yeah, because I'm selling those Lettermans. So bam. Got the owner's soccer jersey. Silencio. Bam, there you go. 50. And now we're moving to the tees. Well, as you see, boy, it's gotta go. I just gotta make sure that I don't mix any of this stuff up. Y'all be alright. Alright, so bam, first tee. What's the joint? It's a jungle. Bam, it's a Effectives joint. What joint the Snake Eyes joint. That's 2. Beware Man's First Enemy. That's 3. Cold Cash joint. That's 4. That's 5. 6. I think Sonic Boom. Bam. That's 6. I would've did that, but running out of room. Bam. That's 7. This joint will go with the breads. Boom. And that's 8 right there. Bam. The bundles, they 50. I'll get to one that's not, but the bundle 50. 50. Bam. Boom. Got that dude joint. Pac. I always did want to keep that joint, but no room. Bam. The LA joint. That's 2. Great Paper Chase. 3. Oh, which one is this? Cold Soul. Yeah. 4. Easy Cash. 5. Time to Reflect. 6. Renegade. 7. Drip. 8. 50. Next up, Taxis and Tall Buildings. Bam. Generating Capital. Making Money. Chasing Paper. Factors joint. Nothing to Lose. Menace Society joint. Street. Damn. I wanted it. Alright. Bam. Street Knowledge. And last but not least, got the Groundbreaking Tee. Bam. 50. Got some Bama shit. Bam. I rocked this joint once to DR. That's 1. This is from American Stitch. This is 2. Pink joint. DR. And Play Clothes joint. Shout out to Pusha T. So yeah, I let this 3-pack go for the 30 right here. So that's the only joint. Like I said, hit me up on the email. Any of the bundles, you just tell me, oh, I want the joint with the in it, and we'll get that one. You ain't gotta like sit there and tell me to listen. No, I'm not swapping nothing out. I'm bagging these joints up like right now. And yeah, so just leave me your PayPal. I'll send you the invoice. Everything gonna be gift, and we'll go from there.
Where?
About to get up out of here. 400 likes on this joint. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my Gentleman Store. It's your beach. Like I always like to say, see what I see you. Out.